Today I'm sharing an easy, no-knead recipe. This bread has a golden, crispy crust, a soft, fluffy crumb, and sweet cinnamon flavor in every bite. It is an easy, no-knead recipe baked in a Dutch oven. For this bread, I'm adding 150 grams of raisins. Soak for about 10 minutes, then drain and dry them well. This simple step makes the raisins softer and juicier after baking. For mixing dough, first I add 390 grams of all-purpose flour to a large bowl. Next, I add 5 grams of instant yeast, 8 grams of salt, and 10 grams of cinnamon. Mix the dry ingredients together until evenly combined. Now add 30 grams of melted butter. ,40 grams of honey and 340 grams of warm milk. Mix everything together until a soft, sticky dough forms. This is a no-knead bread, so we do not need to spend time kneading. The dough should feel soft and slightly sticky. Add raisins. Toss the raisin with a tiny amount of flour before adding to the dough. Gently stretch and fold into the dough. Cover the dough and let it rise. Wait until it becomes puffy and doubles in size. This usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on room temperature. When the dough is ready, gently remove it from the bowl. Do not press out all the air. The air bubbles help create a soft crumb. Gently transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Shape the dough into a smooth, round loaf. To help the dough keep its shape, place it on parchment paper and transfer it into a bowl. Cover and let it rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the Dutch oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes before baking the bread. The hot Dutch oven will help create a beautiful crust while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. Carefully transfer the dough into the preheated Dutch oven. Before baking, score the top of the dough with a sharp knife or bread lame. This allows the bread to expand properly while baking. It also creates a beautiful pattern on the crust. Cover with the lid and bake 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. When the bread is finished, remove it from the Dutch oven immediately. Right after the bread comes out of the Dutch oven, I brush the warm crust with melted butter. This gives the bread a beautiful bakery-style shine and a rich, buttery flavor. Let it cool before slicing. The bread is soft, flavorful, and full of cinnamon raisin goodness. I hope this recipe brings a little homemade comfort to your kitchen. This easy, no-knead cinnamon raisin bread is perfect for breakfast or a cozy snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe for more homemade baking ideas. Thank you for watching and happy baking!